Welcome to 3089 Snowy Point in 79938. Gorgeous beveled edge granite countertops and luxurious cabinetry. 5-burner stove and stacked dual oven. Large laundry room that carries the same granite countertops and cabinetry from the kitchen. This house is equipped with a large office that exits to the backyard. Home theater is equipped with projector, screen, and surround sound, as well as customizable glowing accent light around the ceiling. Master bedroom has new flooring, his and hers walk-in closets, dual vanities, jetted tub, and a side-by-side dual stand-up shower with separate entrances. Pool has a sun deck, jacuzzi, and a water feature that rains down from the pergola. If you're looking to move to 79938, call me at 915-408-8588.